Today, by knowing the all three difference of primary triangulation system, secondary triangulation system, and tertiary triangulation system, let us discuss triangulation figures and layouts. By seeing the figures, you must be able to differentiate the triangle, quadrilateral, and polygon. So you just see these three diagrams. First one is triangle, second one is quadrilateral, and third one is polygon. Here, triangle system or triangulation figures can be drawn with the help of different layouts. The basic figures used in triangulation networks are triangle, braced or quadrilateral, or you can call it as geodetic quadrilateral, and the polygon with a central station. You just observe in triangle, the station points, there will be three station points at the corner points. The same way, if you go with a quadrilateral, four station points will be there. And here polygon with a polygon with a central station. Even you can observe central station, along with central station, six different stations with the different corners, okay, of a polygon. The triangles in a triangulation system can be arranged in a number of ways. Yes, the same way, same these all figures can be arranged in a different ways. How we can arrange the triangles? Some of the commonly used arrangements also called layouts. First one, single chain of triangles, double chain of triangles, braced quadrilateral, centered triangles, and polygons, a combination of above system. Single chain triangles means by use of a triangle, single triangle, you can frame a different chains. You can frame a chain by using different triangles. It means a chain is formed by using triangles. For example, with a given area, by using triangle, we can frame a single chain. Like that, double chain, brace quadrilateral. Further, by seeing the figures, you can understand the what is single chain, double chain, and brace quadrilateral. Firstly, we'll discuss single chain of triangles. Yes, you just see this figure. Before going with the explanation, see this figure, singles of triangles. Yes, by using triangle ABC, BCD, CDE, DEF, like that, a single triangles are joined and made into a single chains. Like that, with a lengthwise, like that, the lengthwise the chain can be framed. Yes, you just see the figure. ABC is a triangle, BCD is a triangle. These two triangles are joined here. Again, next two triangles are joined here. By joining these triangles, we can frame a single chain. Yes, these type of drawing a triangles are called single of triangles. When the control points are required to be established in a narrow strip of terrain, suppose the area is a narrow strip of terrain. The narrow terrain means where we cannot accumulate all the area, only restricted area. In such a restricted area, or we can call it as narrow area, such as valley between ridges, a layout consistent of a single chain of triangle is generally used. As usually in a valley place or mountain place, uh, these type of triangles can be used. This system is rapid and economical due to its simplicity of siting only four other stations and does not involve observation of long diagonals. On the other hand, the simple triangles of a triangulation system provide only one route through which distance can be computed. Yes, here, since it is a triangle in shape, only three stations you are going to observe, and by using these simple triangles, it can provide only one route throughout the distance where we are going to compute the distance. And hence, the system does not provide any check on accuracy of observation. It will not provide any check on accuracy. Check baseline and astronomical observation for azimuth have to be provided at a frequent interval to avoid the excessive accumulation of error. Yes. During the observation, only least or less number of azimuth observation can be done to avoid the errors here. This is how by using the single triangles a single chain can be framed. Similarly, going to the double chain of triangles, a layout of double chain, you see the figure, a layout of double chain triangle, this arrangement used for covering the larger width of a belt, larger area. Yes, by making the two chains, this is one chain and this is second chain. Yes, single chain where there is a narrow place, and double chain where you are going to cover the larger width of a belt or region. This system has also advantage of single chain of triangulation system. Yes, by making these two chains or double chains, we can cover the larger area. Yes, this is how we arrange the double chain of triangle. Yes, like that. Next, moving to the braced quadrilaterals. In braced quadrilateral, the shape of the triangulation system will be in quadrilateral. Yes, here a small triangles are there, but the shape of a system is quadrilateral. A triangulation system consisting of figures containing four corners here: A, B, C, D. This is one quadrilateral. C, D, E, F. This is one quadrilateral. E, F, G, H. This is one quadrilateral. Containing four corner stations and observed diagonal shown. Yes, these are the observed diagonal. AC and BD are the diagonals. It is known as layout of braced sorry braced quadrilaterals. Yes. If we are finding four corners and two diagonals, these are called as braced quadrilateral triangulation system. In fact, braced quadrilateral consists of overlapping triangles. Yes, see, here it is, this triangle A, B, D is overlapping on A, C, D. Overlapping triangles. This system is stated to be strongest and the best arrangement of triangles, and it provides a means of computing the lengths of sides using different combination of sides and angles. Most of the triangle system use this arrangement. Since it is a strongest among all these triangulation system, the most of the work can be used with the triangulation system. Sorry, quadrilateral system in this arrangement. Yes. Similarly, you just see here centered triangles or polygons. Here, the earlier there were four corners, four corner stations, and when we moving to the polygons, there will be more than four corner points. A triangulation system consists of figures containing interior station in a triangle and polygon and are known as centered triangles or polygons. Yes, you see this diagram. Centered. This is centered. Centered station. Centered stations and centered triangles and polygons, which makes a polygon. This layout is a triangulation system generally used with a full vast area in all the directions. It means by consideration at a center stations, we can cover in all the directions. You can cover in a D direction, E direction, F direction, C, B, like that, expanding this triangulation system and cover the larger area, which is required to be covered. The centered figures generally are quadrilaterals, pentagons, or hexagons. See, you just see the diagram. It may be quadrilateral. This is quadrilateral. This is hexagon. This is pentagon. Yes, with the central station. By following the central station, the different figures can be framed here. Though this system provides checks on accuracy of the work, generally it is not as strong as braced quadrilateral arrangement. See here, braced quadrilateral arrangement. Yes, here to check the accuracy, the cross checks are to be conducted, are to be done, because it is not strong as braced quadrilateral arrangement. Since there will be uh, different figures are arranged to make a polygon here, so it is not considered as strongest. Moreover, the progress of work is quite slow due to the fact that more settings of the instrument are required. Since it is different figures are framed here, there will be more times of shifting the instrument from one corner to other corner. So it is not considered as a uh, not considered as the fastest among all these three. Next, the next one is combination of above system. Sometimes above, as we discussed above, a triangle, quadrilateral, and polygonal. There may be sometimes, as per the requirement, the combination of above system may also be used, maybe according to the shape of the area and accuracy requirements. As per the requirement, you may merge or form a different system by combining all of those system. Yes, this is what the different triangulation figures and layouts. Different triangulation figures and layouts, and in that layouts, a single chain of triangles, double chain of triangles, braced quadrilateral, central triangles, and polygons, a combination of all above system which can be plotted. Yes, yes. Taking an example of layout of primary triangulation for large countries. Yes, this is best example to explain the triangulation system is gridiron system, central system. Here, gridiron system, this is a figure gridiron system of triangulation, where by using this triangulation system, we can cover the entire area. In the system, primary triangulation is laid in series of chain. Yes, this we can consider as single chain system. Hmm, chain of triangles which usually runs roughly along meridian north to south direction and along perpendicular to the meridian east to west direction, north to south direction and east to west direction throughout the country. Full country, the distance between two such chains may vary from 150 to 250 kilometers. It means from one end to other end we can choose a distance of 150 to 250 kilometers. The area between parallel and perpendicular series of primary triangulation are filled by the secondary and tertiary triangulation system. Yes, the area between the parallel and perpendicular series. These are the series. In this series, not only the primary triangulation system, you can go with the secondary and tertiary triangulation system, where the baselines are the width of the length of the baselines may differ, and length of the sides may differ, and by making a triangle system, you can do this work. Gridiron system has been adopted in India and other countries like Austria, Spain, and France. Yes, this system is adopted in India. Already it is there in India. Yes, it is there in India, and with a known distance of 150 to 250 kilometer, two ends are fixed. Two ends are fixed, and the grid iron system can be framed. Similarly, one more example: central system. Central systems here, by observing central system A, B, C, by observing central system A, B, C, this triangle is expanded or extracted. By B point, again one triangle is formed. At this point, again triangle is formed. From A point, again triangle is formed. C, again triangle is formed. In this system, the whole area, whatever the area to be covered, the whole area is covered by a network of primary triangulation extending in all directions. Here, uh, big network is developed by extending the primary triangulation system in all direction. From the initial triangulation figure ABC, from this ABC, the network is developed, which is generally laid at the center of the country, center of a whole area. The system is generally used for the survey of an area of moderate extent. It has been adopted in UK, United Kingdom, and various other countries. Yes, it means taking entire area, full-fledged area, and making at the center point, making one triangle, and that triangle is extending into again triangles. Again, meeting point or corner point, again extending into again triangles. Usually these extension will be consideration of primary triangulation system. Yes, like that the entire area can be covered, full country area can be covered. This is how an example or the layout of a primary triangulation for large countries, usually by following gridiron system and central system. These are the two important type of layout or type of framework usually provided for a large countries. Okay. Hmm. Yes, for a selection of these layout, there will be some criteria for a selection of this layout. You may go with a grid method or you may go with a central system. Any method, there will be some criteria to be followed before selection of a triangles. Let us discuss one by one what are the layouts or what are the criteria for the layouts. First one, simple triangle should be preferably equilateral. For example, primary triangulation system, secondary triangulation system, tertiary triangulation system. As possible as the triangle should be simple, preferably equilateral. Equilateral means all the sides are same. Second one, braced quadrilateral should be preferably approximate squares. Yes, as per the above discussion, the braced quadrilaterals are act as the strongest. So as possible as this will be the more preferable by taking the approximate squares. Centered polygons should be regular. Centered polygons should be regular in shape. The arrangement should be such that the computation can be done through two or more independent routes. Yes, the arrangement should not be in a complicated way. The arrangement should be so simple that from taking any two triangles, the routes can be designed easily. The arrangement should be such that it at least one route and preferably two routes form well-conditioned triangles. Yes, the arrangement should be as possible as it should be clear that preferably two routes form a well-conditioned triangles. By that two routes, the triangles can be extended. No angle of the figure opposite a known side shall be small, whichever end of the series is used for computation. No angle of figure opposite known side. Okay. In the triangulation system figure, the opposite side should be small. It is not that the angle formation between two sides should not vary. As possible as it should kept same. Hmm. The angles of simple triangles should not be less than 45 degree. See, and in the case of quadrilateral, no angle should be less than 30 degree. In the case of centered polygon, no angle should be less than 40. Means if you are taking centered polygon, if you are taking angle, if you are taking quadrilateral, we have some conditions that angles of simple triangle should not be less than 45 degree. If it is less than 45 degree, it makes a small triangle. That's why it should be more than 45 degree. And in case of quadrilateral, the angle between two sides should not be more than 30 degree. In case of polygon, it should not be less than 40 degree. It means it should be more than 40 degree. The sides of the figure should be comparable lengths. Very long lines and very short lines should be avoided. Yes, in case of covering the larger area, it should not be in covering large area. There should not be very long lines or very long lengths, and also it should not be very short lines. Yes, if it is short lines, it there will be more complication. If it is long lines also, there will be more complication while building the networks. Also, the layout should be such that it requires least work to achieve maximum progress. Okay, it should take least work to achieve the maximum progress. And also, the complex figure should not involve more than 12 conditions. Yes, it means as far as you have to avoid the complex figures, if it is attaining the complex figures, it should not
involve more than 12 condition. If it is less than 12 condition, you can give the solution and you can resolve it. But if it is more than 12 condition, you cannot do it. Okay. Yes. These are all the criteria for selection of the layout of triangles.